How will the evolution of artificial intelligence shape our everyday lives in the coming years? This question, seemingly plucked from the pages of a science fiction novel, is a reality we're rapidly approaching. Our story begins with the advent of large language models, or LLMs for short. These powerful AI systems, such as the GPT-4, have captured the public's imagination with their uncanny ability to mimic human conversation. This capability is not just a novelty, it has profound implications for a range of tasks that require nuanced understanding, from therapy and advice to companionship. As we move into the future, AI systems will transcend their current form as chatbots. They will evolve into autonomous agents capable of executing a multitude of tasks to achieve specific goals. Imagine an AI agent that can orchestrate tasks across platforms, from scheduling meetings and ordering groceries to controlling smart home devices. This level of autonomy will revolutionize our daily lives, making our interactions with technology more seamless and efficient. But the story doesn't end here. These AI agents will become increasingly adept at learning our preferences. They will offer hyper-personalized experiences tailored to our individual needs and tastes. Picture wearable interfaces, like brooches or watches, that allow you to access your AI agent wherever you are. These devices will enable real-time, seamless communication between humans and machines in a variety of contexts. In the realm of work, autonomous agents will streamline workflows, manage emails, and automate routine tasks. They will enhance productivity, allowing us to focus on the tasks that truly require our attention. At home, these agents will manage everything from security to lighting, creating a living environment that is intelligent, automated, and intuitive. But this future is not without its challenges. The rise of AI will intensify discussions around data privacy, necessitating robust frameworks to protect sensitive user information. Ethical considerations will also come to the fore, particularly around decision-making, responsibility, and transparency as AI becomes more autonomous. The job landscape will undoubtedly transform as AI-driven automation becomes more prevalent. However, the goal is not to replace human workers, but rather to foster collaboration. AI agents will complement human abilities, enhancing our skills rather than making them obsolete. This transformation will extend beyond our workplaces and homes. It will redefine social interactions, education, healthcare, and accessibility. AI will offer personalized learning experiences, assist with diagnostics and patient management, and bridge accessibility gaps in unprecedented ways. And its impact will be felt globally, reducing language barriers and fostering cross-cultural interactions. The rapid pace of AI development is set to accelerate innovation across sectors, driving progress in unforeseen directions. As we stand on the cusp of this AI revolution, we must remember that the potential of AI lies not in its ability to replace us, but in its capacity to augment our abilities, enhance our lives, and create a future where technology works hand in hand with humanity.